Twitter says it's experimenting with unmentioning. Whoa. You'll be able to remove yourself from that tweet, a thread that went off the rails. I see. So you're mentioned, this happens, you're mentioned in a conversation that you really aren't that into.
Right.
But you get dragged along for the whole thing because every response creates a new mention.
Right.
Twitter's experimenting with an unmentioning feature. Allows you to remove yourself from a conversation. It's similar to untagging yourself in a photo or something.
Yeah.
We're experimenting with unmentioning, a way to help you protect your peace and remove yourself from conversations. The company posted a short GIF of what the feature will look like to its Twitter safety account. Man, they're coming with the features. Now, they're going to claim it's not an Elon thing, but,
but Elon,
man, moments later, all the features start getting rolled out. So here's how it'll work. This is a little video clip. Leave this conversation. And it tells you what the consequences will be. Oh, man.
Oh, it's not blue anymore.
Did you see what the comment was? It was, you suck. Yeah. The guy's like, no, I'm good. I'll unmention.
Yeah.
It's kind of a nice medium between blocking.
Right.
Instead of going all the way to block, you just unmention. Let's see if it becomes a problem ever again.
Block is so permanent. It feels
Block's intense. Well, you got mute as well, I guess, which is another. It's a lot of ways to do this, but I think this is a good idea. Twitter researcher and reverse engineer Jane Mansion Wong tweeted an apparent screenshot of the Leave This Conversation feature in February. As is often the case, her sleuthing proved correct. So they've been rumoring this thing since February. This menu now is it's incredibly comprehensive. Mute, embed, block, unmention.
Leave this conversation.
Good stuff. I don't know. I don't see anything bad about it that I can think of. I
like how they said it. How do you say "don't at me" without saying "don't at me"?
Oh, right. How do you say "don't at me"? Because anyone who actually says "don't at me" is asking people to at them.
Yeah, it's just
it's the absolute opposite. Don't at me. Okay, I'll at you. Thanks for the invite.